Hello Innov8, my name is Rimon and I'm the founder and CEO of Centrical. At Centrical we put the employee at the center of business success. We're the first employee-centric success platform. Today I would like to explore with you the future of work. Centrical supports the largest customers in the world from different industries, from the financial services, the leading banks and insurance companies, the largest telecommunication and tech companies, and also the largest brands like Coca-Cola, Office Depot, 3M, Volvo, BMW, and the largest telecommunication companies like Verizon, British Telecom, and many others. In Israel, we work with the leading banks and insurance companies, and also industrial companies like Delek, Mint stores, and Nesher, and other companies. I believe that during COVID, many of us were surprised to find out that the employee performance wasn't affected in the short term. Having said that, in the long term, we start to see different effects. The first one is that onboarding takes much longer. Learning and training is not that effective. Performance management and try to adopt different innovations and elements of transformation start to take much longer. And also we start to see in large organizations employee attrition trend start to grow. When we started to put the focus on employee engagement and creating this clarity about what's important, we noticed that the usage in Centrical, in our system as an employee-centric success platform, was increased by 6 times during COVID, because it actually replaced a lot of the informal and formal communication between the managers and the employees and enhanced and created something which was much deeper and more personal for the employees. So in order to answer the question how to reduce the onboarding period, how to reduce the turnover, and how to improve performance and learning in the flow of work, and therefore the employee lifetime value, how can you improve it? Let's start with analyzing what are the problems. The main problem is that the employee is experiencing a disjointed experience in the organization. We have different groups in the organization that are responsible on different elements in the process or in the experience of the employee. From hire, we have the hiring process and the onboarding process by one unit, and then we have learning in the flow of work, and we have elements of performance management, and then performance reviews, coaching, and a lot of things that are actually creating a disjointed experience that confused the employees. And definitely when they're not in the organization and they have one single address, the manager, that they can approach to. So the main thing that we would like to create is actually a holistic experience that navigates employees turn by turn to success and create a unified experience for every individual, starting with business alignment, clarifying the goals that are relevant for this week, this month, what are the targets, and where you are in kind of a fitness tracker for work, elements of KPIs, OKRs, and so on. Learning in the flow of work, learning which is personalized based on my knowledge gaps and performance gaps. So every individual will learn different things based on their gaps. The third element would be digital well-being. How are you today? How are you this week? Are you familiar with your goals? Do you think you will meet your goals? Do you need something from your manager? Elements that are check-ins, daily check-ins, weekly check-ins, and start conversations with the managers. And then coaching and turning the managers from managers to coaches using augmented human intelligence. So the AI actually trigger to the managers what's important now, who are the employees that are struggling, and what do you need to do in order to help them. And then the human intelligence, the creativity, the emotional intelligence helps the managers to become coaches and to help their employees. And the last but not least is creating an engaging experience with gamification and engagement automation that turns everyone into heroes of their own game. By that, we create a holistic and actionable, personalized experience for every individual. It's very important that it would be holistic, not a disjointed experience, but one single coherent experience. Second, should be actionable. I should do something, I should change my behaviors, and it should be personalized. It should be for me and for me only. One size doesn't fit all. Everything that I said so far was relevant to the whole population of the employees. However, it's 10 times more important to the frontline employees, to the customer-facing employees in the contact centers, in the stores, in the service organizations, the back office, and then we're able to align them to help and support your customers much better. And Richard Branson said, take care of your employees, they will take care of your customers. And this is very smart because you would like to have an agile organization, an organization that will change, that will align the strategy. And you would like the employees to align to the business, to be engaged, to understand, to have clarity, and to be proficient enough to do their job and to help your customers to be more successful and also to impact the bottom line. So thank you. My name is Gal Rimon. I'm the founder and CEO of Centrical, and we will be happy to answer any question. Thank you.